It specializes in a process called fine blanking to make all kinds of metal products, many of which are used by the U.S. military. Swiss Tech Precision has been in Post Falls for 20 years and hoping to grow considerably in the near future. Deis has the details in our latest Made in the Northwest story.
Inside its 37,000 square foot facility in Post Falls, Swiss Tech, with its 10 employees, churns out a whole lot of metal products.
We're between 30 and 50,000 parts we can put out a day.
It does it through a process called fine blanking, developed nearly a century ago in Switzerland to create watch components. It allows Swiss Tech to achieve tolerances of 1 micron for its customers.
If you could think about tight tolerances, we could probably have a process for you.
Now, because the military requires all of its multi-tools to be made in the USA, a big chunk of Swiss Tech's business these days comes from making tools like this for companies like Gerber.
We make all the subcomponents for the multi-tools that go to our troops overseas. Buck Knives, another famous made in USA company people have heard of. Right now we're doing blades for them, lock components, scope components.
Swiss Tech's tight tolerances allow companies like Gerber
the opportunity to maintain a lower price so that more people can utilize their stuff.
The metal products start in the tool room, where they're designed, and the building process often starts with a wire EDM machine, which erodes the metal with extreme precision.
Then your engineers can play with it and see if the process, if your idea is actually going to come to fruition as a product.
Once approved, it goes to the fine blanking press, whereas conventional stamping only applies pressure at the top. Fine blanking
applies force from top and bottom, which is more of an extruding than a shearing process. With that process, we can achieve very tight tolerance holes.
Next, the feed-through grinder eliminates any excess die roll.
One pass through the feed grinder, it's not there anymore, and it's ready to work.
Swiss Tech has plenty of other machines to produce whatever its customers want.
We have in-house heat treatment. We have EDM sinking, EDM drill, EDM wire. We have the CNC. We have our Haas mills.
It's proud to be a made-in-the-USA company and is trying to bring more business back home.
Major drive is to reshore and create high-paying manufacturing positions here in the Pacific Northwest.
And with more contracts with companies like Gerber and Buck Knives, Swiss Tech has plans for some aggressive growth.
My goal is to increase our staff from 10 to 30 at a minimum in the first year.
And that means thousands more parts being fine blanked every day. For Made in the Northwest, I'm Deis, KXOY 4 News.